Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to
Good
all.
evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to all. Oh,
Good
today
evening,
19
sir.
member, 18 members present.
No, it's board class. No,
Huh?
it's board only. No, sir.
Aha. Okay. Okay.
No, sir. I'm asking, is it
Ah,
board class or competitive class?
today Wednesday.
So board class only. No.
Huh.
Okay,
Only
sir.
Thursday and Monday. Next, sigma notation. Hello.
Sir, it's fine.
Okay. Sigma notation. If T1 plus T2 plus T3 so on TR. If T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus so on plus TR is represented by all of you, right? If T1 plus T2 plus T3 so on plus TR is represented by sigma is represented by sigma r is equal to 1 to n. Sigma r is equal to 1 to power n TR.
Excuse me,
TR.
sir.
Hello, Mona Lisa.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Oh.
I have a doubt from the test. Can I ask at the end of class? Okay, sir.
Okay. T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus so on plus TR is represented by sigma r is from 1 to n. R is from 1 to n TR. Is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus so on plus T
N.
n. Tn is called sigma notation. Sigma notation. Next, sigma n. Sigma n or sigma k. Sigma k, k is equal to 1 to n is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to n, k is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers.
Sir, is it n into n plus 1 by 2
n into n plus 1 by 2.
using SN formula?
Next, sum of squares of natural number. Natural number sigma r is equal to 1 to n r square, right? One square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of squares of
Sir, the heading is sigma notation, right?
sigma notation.
Board is very blurred.
Very blur, not clear.
Yes, sir. It's perfect for us.
Perfect, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
okay.
So what did you write after sum of?
Sum of squares of n natural numbers.
Okay, sir. So could you move for a second? Thank you, sir.
So would you be deriving these formulas, like the squares and the cubes one?
No, not derive. Only formula. Next, sum of cubes of n natural number. N natural number. N natural number. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n r cube is
Oh,
equal
sir, that area is out of the frame.
okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. One cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, or n square into n plus 1 whole square upon 4.
Sir, what's the second point? Sum of
Squares of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers, first one. Sum of squares of natural numbers. Sum of cubes of natural numbers. Yes,
So that's n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Sir,
yes.
sir, is it n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square?
N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, or
Okay.
n square plus n plus 1 whole square upon 4.
So
Yes, Mona Lisa.
how are these derived?
No. Only formula.
No,
Not
like
derived.
in general, how are they?
Sir, can you give the proof?
Proof by using principle of mathematical induction. By using principle of mathematical induction.
Sir, but there should be proofs, right? Like some sort of geometrical proof.
It's arbitrary.
Huh?
It's
No,
like you
there
can't
should be-
prove using any other method. Only natural number proof. That is the principle of mathematical induction.
If you want proof, is already in NCERT textbook. Sigma n square, sigma n cube is there. in NCERT textbook. Principle of mathematical induction.
Sir, the same thing came in Principle of Mathematical Induction as a question. That's why, sir.
Keshav?
Sir, same thing.
Ah,
It came as a question in mathematical induction, both
Ah.
sum of squares and sum of cubes.
hmm.
So proper proof is there
Like
in
we were
R.D.
sorry
Sharma.
it came.
Is there?
Yes, sir. Solid proof.
Mm-hmm. In NCERT also is there.
So would you be explaining it?
Himanshu?
So would you be explaining the proof?
Proof.
Yeah.
N into n plus 1 by 2. Proof.
Done, sir.
Done. One proof I will explain. Remaining you have to do. Huh? Okay.
Sir, could you please explain the cube one? Because natural numbers is, we all know that one. So could you do the third one?
Yes, sir. Like squares also we can use some pyramid method.
Square.
Sir, for squares we can use some property like, sir, we know that sum of first n odd numbers is nothing but n square.
By using mathematical induction, this one. Same 3.
Sir, mathematical induction is for any sequence. Sir. Sir,
Any?
mathematical induction is for any sequence, right?
Ah,
Yes, sir. But these are all defined sequence, like properly defined, no, sir. Those other sequences may approach to a single value. We don't know that.
see, already principle of mathematical induction completed, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same proof. Sigma
Okay,
n.
sir. Then we'll do that, sir. Yes, sir. That will be
Same method. That is easy. For n is
Sir,
equal
but
to 1. For n is equal to 1. LHS is equal to RHS. For n is equal to k. For n is equal to k plus 1. That third step is important.
no, sir. Like for the sum of the squares, it is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, right? So
Yes.
somebody would have done something to come up with this formula, right?
Yeah,
Would be
actually, I think it was
mathematical.
some pyramidal, like we know one property, right? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 gives you always a square. So using that property, I think we proved it.
Then how would you do it for a cube?
For a cube, we can use a different sequence.
Here it's 1 plus 4 plus 9. How can you use the pyramid method? Explain, no? Explain.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Mona Lisa.
Sir, could you please explain the pyramid method? I didn't get it.
sigma n cube, right? First, we know that x plus 1 whole to the power of 4. X plus 1 whole to the power of 4. What is the formula? X plus 1 whole to the a plus b whole to the power of 4.
Sir, x to the power of 4
A plus b whole to the
plus,
power of 4.
so I think it is x to the power of 4 plus 4x cube. And
In
that,
Pascal triangle, you know, all of you, Pascal triangle. You don't
no,
know?
sir.
So that would be a to the power of
Okay,
4.
pyramid. See, listen. See, coefficient 1 take first. These coefficient adding 2. Okay. This coefficient is a plus b whole to the power of 0. Anything power of 0 is 1, right? Anything power of 0 is 1. This one is a plus b whole to the power of 1 is equal to a plus b. This is 1, right? Then next, adding to 1 coefficient as it is, right? 1, and adding 1 plus 1, 2, and again 1, right? This one is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? All of you understood Pascal triangle. In binomial theorem, in Pascal triangle is there. One concept is there, that Pascal triangle using a plus b whole to the power of 4 find. Next, 1 as it is, right, coefficient. Then adding 1 plus 2, 3. Again 2 plus 1, 3. Again write 1. This one is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Then next, a plus b whole to the power of 4. 1, 4, 6, again 4, then 1, right?
Sir, 1, yes, sir.
Now, a plus b whole to the power of 4 is equal to, now, a power 4 plus 4, how many types? 4 into a cube b, right? A cube b plus
Yes, sir.
6a square b square, 6a square b square plus 4a b cube, correct? Then plus b power 4. See, all of you understood? All of you
Yes, sir.
understood? This is Pascal triangle, a plus b whole to the power of 4, a plus b whole to the power of 5, up to so on. Okay. Now here n square plus n plus 1 whole square by 4. Now x plus 1 take first, x plus 1 whole to the power of 4, right? X plus 1 whole to the power of 4. X plus 1 whole to the power of 4. Is
Sir,
equal
could you
to,
move a bit?
Sir, is this boards portion?
huh?
Is this there for boards?
Board is there. Sigma notation board is there, Nagbhushan. Sigma notation.
No, No,
Yes,
sir.
sir, it is there, sir. Yes, sir, it is there.
There, huh?
It
Okay.
is there, sir.
Now
Okay,
they
okay.
have
They are telling
deleted.
Okay, okay.
only for this year.
Okay,
It's
okay.
deleted. We can't neglect it.
Risha. Is there Risha?
Yes, sir.
X plus 1 whole to the power of 4. X power 4 plus 4x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus 1, right? Done. This one.
Done, sir.
Ah. Now here x plus 1 whole to the power of 4 is equal to x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus 1. Now putting n is equal to n is equal to 1, 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on
1
plus
minute, sir. 1
n
minute.
minus 1.
Why are we taking x plus 1 whole to the power 4, sir?
Huh?
Why are we taking like this?
Why? X
Yes,
plus
sir.
1. See that
Whole
is
to the power.
after that n power 4 minus n plus 1 whole to the power of 4 is coming. N power 4 minus n minus 1 whole to the power of 4. Then only we will get sigma n cube.
So just to remove the x to the power 4, we have subtracted it.
N to the, sorry, n minus 1. N minus 1. See, after processing, see, putting n is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n minus 1. Okay. Sorry. Comma. Not plus. 1 comma 2 comma 3 so on n minus 1 up to n minus 1. Now here substituting n plus x plus 1 whole to the power of 4.
So then what do we do?
See here x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 6x square plus 4x plus 1. Now first substituting n is equal to 1. In place of 2.
So after substituting n as 1, we get 16.
16, huh?
Yes, sir.
So why did we take x plus 1 to the power of 4? Excuse me, sir.
See, n to the power of 4 minus n minus 1 to the power of 4 is equal to
So,
hello.
so I didn't get what you meant by putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Like, is n the term or something else?
N is terms.
So n is either of these.
N is equal to putting 1, 2, 3 so on n minus 1. N minus 1. This is
So So,
Hello.
yes, sir.
See, sigma n square, sigma n cube, sigma n. This proofs is, then next class I will explain. See, actually, by using mathematical induction, we have to prove, but another way, next class I am teaching.
Excuse me, sir.
Mona Lisa?
So, you had written n plus n minus n minus 1, right? Could
N
you please
minus
write
1.
that again?
N minus 1.
No, not that, sir. You had written something before this, which you just erased.
Not erase.
No, after that you had written something, right? Could you
1
tell that?
plus 2 plus I am writing first.
No, not that, sir. Like you had written n to the power something minus n minus 1, right?
N power 4 minus n minus 1 whole to the power of 4.
So isn't it usually like n plus 1 to the power 4 minus n to the power 4?
N to the power of 4?
So n plus 1 to the power 4 minus n to the power 4. Isn't it usually so? Or
Yes, usually. Correct. N plus 1 whole to the power of 4 minus n to the power of 4.
yes, sir, this is how we usually take it, right? So why did you take the other way?
This one is 4 into n cube. 4 into n cube plus 6 into n square plus 4 into n plus 1, right?
So your voice is breaking for me. Could you please repeat?
Then next class I will explain this process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now formulas note down.
Sir, and why did you write it the other way, sir?
Not other way.
I mean, why did you write n power 4 minus n minus 1 to the power 4?
By using sigma notations, sum of first n odd natural numbers. Sum of first n odd natural numbers.
It's always equal to n square.
N square. Always is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to n square. Now sum of first n even natural numbers. Even natural numbers. Even natural numbers.
So n into n plus 1 by 2 minus
sigma r is equal to 1 to n. 2r 2r. 2r is equal to n into n plus 1, right? Sum of first n even natural numbers. Sigma r2 r is equal to 1 to n. R power 4. R power 4. Okay, this is and all mains concepts. After that, I am teaching. Okay, formulas note down. Then next class proofs I will explain. N square, n cube. Another way. Okay, Manshu?
Yes, sir.
Sir, for sigma n it's easy, sir.
Sigma?
Sigma n it's easy.
Sigma n is easy.
You have to do only
Let
Sn.
us consider 1, 2, 3, so on n natural numbers. Sn is denote sum of n natural first n natural numbers, and Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on plus n. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n into r. That is easy. N natural numbers. First one is n square and n cube is another model is there. Next class I will teach. Okay. Next problems.
So,
Hmm.
So I have one last doubt regarding the proof. Can I ask?
Tell.
So wouldn't it work if we take n to the power 4, n plus 1 to the power 4 minus n to the power 4
n to the power of 4.
So n plus 1 to the power 4 minus n to the power 4. Will that work?
Which one?
So for proving,
Proving.
I mean to the power 3, sir.
N square into 2n square minus 1 is there. Proof. N square into 2n square minus 1. One cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube plus so on 2n minus 1 whole cube. 2n minus 1 whole cube is equal to n square into 2n square minus 1. This one proof is there. Mona Lisa? Then next problems. First one, write sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 5k minus 2 5k minus 2 in expanded form. Sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 5k minus 2 in expanded form. Five k minus 2 in expanded form.
So what's the answer?
Answer is
93.
93. Sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 5k minus 2 is equal to 96.
Okay, sir.
Sir, so only those three formulas that you have given, that is enough.
Only three formulas.
Sir, is it 93 or 96, sir?
90?
It's 93.
Sir, I got 93.
Even I got 93, sir.
It's 93, sir, because only A and N is 28.
5 into 1 minus 2. Then 5 into 2. 5 into 2.
Sir, instead of doing it this way, like what I did was I used that 5 into n plus 1 by 2.
That one also
minus
using.
7.
Okay, no problem. This one 93. 5 minus 2, 3. 3. 10 minus 2, 8. Plus 1.
Sir?
Answer is 93. 93. 93. Correct. Himanshu. 93.
Sir, could you do this problem, sir? It's my first time. That's the reason I'm a bit confused how you do.
Okay. See, sigma k is equal to 1 to 6. 5k minus 2 is given. Is equal to 5 into 1 substituting here. 5 into 1 minus 2 plus 5 into 2 minus 2 plus 5 into 3 minus 2 plus 5 into 4 minus 2 plus 5 into 5 minus 2 plus 5 into
Sir.
6 minus 2.
Sir, it's given in the
Ananya?
question. It's given in the question 93.
93 answer.
No, that is answer, or is it given in the question?
Not given. 93 answer. See, 5 into 1 minus 2, 3. Plus 5 into 2 minus 2, 10 minus 2, 8. Plus 5 into 3, 15. 15 minus 2, 13. Plus 20 minus 2, 18. Plus 25. 25 minus 2, 23. Plus 30. 30 minus 2, 28. Is equal to 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 13, 24. 24, 34, 34, 42, 42, 45, 65, 65, 28, 93. Correct.
So,
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, instead we can split sigma to 5k and minus 2, right?
Yes, correct.
Even AP would work here.
5 into
Yes, we can
sigma
also write in the
equal
form
to
of
1
AP.
to 6k minus
6 times 2.
sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 2.
Again, sir, you have to anyway do the normal method only in the end.
Then next problem.
No.
Nagabhushan.
Sir, here we can apply formula that n into n
For
plus.
that also you need to do expansion, no? Without
No,
expansion,
you
how
can
can
use
you-
n into n plus 1 by 2.
See here given no expanded form. Second one. Find the sum of n terms of the series. Find the sum of n terms of series three into 8 plus 6 into 11 plus 9 into 14 plus so on. Find the sum of
3.8. Sir,
Santosh.
3 into 8 or 3.8?
3 into 8, not point.
Sir, it's in the form n into n plus 5.
N into?
N plus 5.
N into n plus 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Why I am
Yes,
saying
sir.
is 3 is n, n plus 5 is 8. Similar pattern is observed continually.
So,
Hello, Mona Lisa.
yes, sir. So, can we write it as 3n into 8 and all that?
3n into 3n plus 5. 3n into 3n plus 5. Tn is equal to 3n into 3n plus 5. 3 comma 6 comma 9 so on. First series and second series 8 comma 11 comma 14. Second series up to so on 3n. Now here
sir, that's multiplication.
3n plus 5. Multiplication, not dot. 3.8. 3 into 8. You call 3 into 8. Sigma Tn, sigma Tn is equal to sigma 3n into 3n plus 1, 3n plus 5. Now multiply sigma 9n square plus 15n. 9n square plus 15n. Now sigma 9 into sigma n square plus 15 into sigma n. Now here 9 into sigma n square, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 15 into sigma n into n plus 1 by 2.
So can we leave the answer like this?
Answer?
So can we leave the answer in this form only?
3n into, answer is 3n into n plus 1 n plus 3. Answer.
So we need to simplify this expression further.
This one is simplify. N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6, no? Here get cancel. 3 2s are 3 3s are. Now n into n plus 1 by 2 get common.
Sir, is this the final answer? 3n
Final
into...
answer is 3n into n plus 1 n plus 3.
Sir, that 2 gets cancelled out.
Yes.
Sir, I am getting a 3n into 3n plus 1 into 7n plus 6 by 2.
3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into
Sir, n into n plus 1 common.
n into n plus 1 common.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. N into n plus 1 common and 2n plus 1 plus 15 by 2, right? Ah, 3 by 2.
So plus 5.
Okay. 3 by
3
2
has been taken common.
plus 15.
So plus 5.
Plus 5. This is 15, no?
Yes, sir, but we took 3 common away.
Okay. 5. 3 by 2 into n plus 1, 2n plus 6. Now 3 by 2 into n plus 1, 2 common. 2 into n plus 3, right? Now 2 get cancelled. 3n into n plus 1, n plus 3, right? 3n into n plus 1, n plus 3. Himanshu?
Yes, sir.
All of you done?
So how are you getting that? I am still getting 3n into n plus 1 by 2 into 7n plus 1.
Tn? Which one?
I got final answer.
Final answer 3n into n plus 1, n plus 3.
Yeah, I got 3n n plus 1 by 2 into 7n plus 1.
N plus 1 by 2 into 7n.
Plus 1.
See here. See 9 into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. 9 into n.
Yeah, sir, I wrote
Okay.
that.
Now 3 2s are 3 3s are. Get cancelled.
Yeah.
3 by 2 here. Now both
Yeah.
sides 3 by 2 into n into
N into n plus 1 common. Yeah, I took that also.
Okay, after that remaining 2n plus 1 plus here plus 5.
5. Oh, I took 5n. That's why. Got it.
Find the sum of n terms of series. Find the sum of n terms of series. One into 3 into 6 plus 2 into 5 into 9 plus 3 into 7 into 12 plus so on. Series Tn 1,
N
2,
into
3,
2n plus 1.
so on n, right? Next 3 comma 5 comma 7 so on Tn. Tn means 2n plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Then next 6 comma 9 comma 12 so on. Himanshu, 3 into n plus 1, right?
So
3 into n plus 1, right?
Yes,
Himanshu?
sir.
3 to n plus 1.
Okay. Now here Tn is equal to n into 2n plus 1, 3 into n plus 1. n into 2n plus 1, 3 into n plus 1. Now 3n, right? 3n into 2n plus 1 into n plus 1. Now sigma Tn is equal to sigma Tn is equal to 3n into 2n square plus 2n plus n plus 1 is equal to 3n into 2n square plus 3n plus 1 is equal to 3n multiply 6n cube plus 9n square plus 3n, right? Now
we can take 3 common.
Now 3 common,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
3 common, 3 2n cube plus 3n square plus n. Now after that sigma Tn is equal to sigma 3 into 2n cube plus 3n square plus n, right? Is equal to 3 sigma 2n cube plus next 3 into sigma 3n square plus 3 into sigma n. Now 3 into sigma n cube, n into n plus 1, n square n plus 1 whole square upon 4, okay, plus 3 into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6.
Excuse me.
Ah,
So should we simplify the answer or should we keep it in terms of brackets?
Brackets.
What's the answer, sir?
Answer is 3 upon 2 into n into n cube plus 4n square plus 5n plus 2. It's the answer. Next 3 into n plus 1 upon 2. Answer is 3 by 2 n into n cube plus 4n square plus 5n plus 2. Then here 3 1 jar, 3 2 jar, 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar.
Oh, I am getting it wrong. So I'm getting 3 by 2 into n into n plus 1 square into n plus 2.
N plus 1 whole square?
Into n plus 2, sir. Is that wrong, sir?
Wrong. After that, 3 into n square, n plus 1 whole square upon 2. Now 3 by 2 common, all. 3 by 2 common and n into n plus 1 common, right? 3 by 2 common and n into n plus 1. N into n plus 1 common. Into n into n plus 1 plus here 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 plus 1, right? N into n plus 1 plus 2n plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2 n into n plus 1 into n square plus n plus 2n plus 2 is equal to 3 by 2 n into n plus 1 n square plus 3n plus 2.
Sir, here only we can simplify, right? Sir, here itself we can factorize and simplify.
Here?
Yes, sir. Like
n square plus 3n plus 2. Okay.
Yes, sir. We can write 3 by 2
into n plus 1 n plus
1.
n plus
Yes,
2
sir,
into
into n plus 1, sir.
n plus 1.
Sir, why are we adding one more step? Like so the one which is circled is the final answer, right?
But any one of these are correct because the procedure is the same.
So
correct. This one also correct, no?
Yes,
3
sir,
by
that is
2
correct.
n into n plus 1 whole square. Correct. N Mona Lisa, correct. N
so you're
into n
supposed
plus
to
1 whole square.
remove the n plus 1. So we can write in either forms, right?
3 by 2 n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2, right?
Okay.
Sir, how did you get n plus 1 whole square?
N plus 1? Here factors n plus 2 into n plus 1.
Yeah.
N plus 1 into n plus 1, n plus 1 whole square
Yes, sir.
into
Yeah.
n plus 2. Risha, understood, Risha?
Yes, sir.
The next important problem. Find the sum. Find the sum 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus so on plus 20 square. Important. All of you done? Find the sum 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus so on plus 20 square. Competitive level also important. Competitive level.
Sir, 2870.
Huh? 2870.
2870.
70.
Yes, sir.
Wrong. Two 2840. Answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Correct.
okay. You have to subtract something. 1 to 4 square, you need to add and subtract them from this.
So we use that formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, right?
Adding and subtracting. Adding and subtracting 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. S is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square 6 square 7 square plus so on plus 20 square minus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square.
So you'll get 2870 minus 30.
28 yes,
Yes, sir. Here only I made
correct.
mistake.
2870.
So,
Hello.
so I'm getting 2800.
2800.
Yes, sir.
S is equal to sigma n square 20 terms, no, minus sigma n square n is equal to 4. Now substituting here n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 n is equal to 20.
Got it, sir.
N into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 n is equal to 4. Now substituting here 20 plus 1 2 into 20 plus 1 upon 6 minus 4 into 4 plus 1 2 into 4 plus 1 upon 6. This one is total 2870. Himanshu?
Yes, sir.
2870 and this one is 30.
Yes, sir.
2840.
So,
Mona Lisa?
so can we take Tn to be n plus 4 whole square and do it?
Tn is equal to?
n plus 4 whole square, sir.
n plus 1 whole n plus 1
N plus 4.
N plus 4, sir.
n plus 4 whole square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think we can try that.
Is coming, n plus 1 whole square.
N plus 4, sir.
N plus 4 whole square. Try.
I did by that way only, sir.
Sir, but that would be really lengthy.
Lengthy, yeah. Next problem. Same. This is first one, second one. 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus so on plus 18 cube. 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus so on plus 18 cube.
Sir, you need to subtract 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube plus and so on up to 17 cube. Then only you'll get correct answer.
All of you done? First problem.
Sir.
First one.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, here in the second one, sir.
Second one.
Yes, sir. We can write 2n cube, no, sir. So it will be
2
8.
cube. 2
yes,
cube.
Sir. Yes, sir. But we can see the sequence 2n cube.
2 into 1 whole cube.
Yes, sir. So
2 into
2n
2
cube.
whole cube.
Yes, sir.
6.
So it will be 8 into n, sigma n
2
cube.
into 3 whole cube plus so
Yes,
on
sir.
plus 18. 18. 2 into 9.
2 cube into
whole
9
cube.
cube.
2 cube into 9 plus and then
Second one. 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube plus so on plus 18 cube. 2 cube can be written as 2 into 1 whole cube plus 2 into 2. 2 into 2 whole cube plus 2 into 3 whole cube plus so on plus 2 into 9 whole cube.
Sir, is the answer 16200?
Yes, correct, Himanshu.
Yes, sir. Even here.
Correct. Now here 2 cube common. 2 cube. 2 cube common. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube. Sorry, not n cube. 9 cube. 9 cube. Two cube sigma n cube n is equal to 9.
So what is the final answer?
Final answer 16200. 16200. 8 into n square plus n plus 1 whole square upon 4, n is equal to 9. Now 8 into 9 square into 9 plus 1 whole square upon 4. 16200.
So we can do this way also, no? Sigma n cube n equal to 18 minus sigma n cube n equal to 1. And then we can subtract that. We can do that way, right?
That way you got answer?
I'm asking. Can we do that way also?
N cube minus n minus 1? Ananya?
N cube minus sigma n cube where n is equal to 18.
N is equal to 18.
Yeah, minus sigma n cube where n is equal to 1.
I think is not coming answer. Check it once.
So,
Mona Lisa.
so taking n plus 1 whole cube will be long, right? But still it'll be right, no?
N plus 1 whole cube.
Yes, sir.
N plus 1 whole cube wrong.
Sir, will that be right, though it's long?
This problem?
Yes, sir. N plus 1 whole cube, sir.
No, but that would give you 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube and so on.
No, I mean n plus 1, which is 1 plus 1 and then.
Yeah, but over there you would get 3 cube also, right? You don't want odd cubes.
This is not possible.
Sorry, I mean 2n. I mean, yeah. 2n, which is 2 and then 2 into 2. And then 3 into 2.
2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 9.
Okay, sir.
Next problem also important. Find the nth term. Find the nth term and the sum to n terms. Sum to n terms of the series 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on.
Sir? Sir, here the nth term is nothing but sum of n squares, right?
Sum of n square.
Yes, sir. So the formula itself is the answer.
Sigma n square.
So not sigma n square.
Sigma n square.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sigma n square. Tn is equal to sigma n square is equal to sigma n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. Now multiply. n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 upon 6. Now 2n cube plus 3n plus 1 upon 6.
So, so can we get anything by
2n cube
n square
plus 3n square plus n upon 6. Now here 2 1s are 2 3s are n cube upon 3 plus 3 1s are 3 2s are n square upon 2 plus n upon 6, right? Tn.
Yes, sir.
Now sigma Tn is equal to sigma n cube upon 3 plus n square upon 2 plus n upon 6. Now separate 1 upon 3 sigma n cube plus 1 upon 2 sigma n square plus 1 upon 6 sigma n. Then formula sigma n cube formula apply here. 1 by 3 into n into n square n plus 1 whole square upon 4 plus 1 by 2 into n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 into n into n plus 1 upon 2. Then common is 6 2s are 12. 1 upon 12, 12 into n plus 1 common. N into n plus 1 common. Now n into n plus 1 plus 2n plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 12 n into n plus 1 into n square plus n plus 2n plus 2. Now here 1 upon 12 n into n plus 1 into
Sir, we can directly
into
use.
n square plus 3n.
No, sir. No,
Okay.
sir.
Direct
We
common.
can factorize.
n into n plus 1 plus 2 into n plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Now 1 upon 12 n into n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 1. Right? Now here 1 upon 12 n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2. Right? This is the answer. 1 upon 12 n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2. All of you understood? Important problem.
So,
Mona Lisa.
yes, sir. So, I didn't get the second to fourth step. Could you please explain that?
Where?
Before that, sir.
This one?
No, sir, about that.
This one?
Yes, sir.
This step? Multiply. Here multiply. N into 2n square plus n plus 2.
After simplification, what did you do?
After simplification, Tn is equal to n cube upon 3 plus n square upon 2 plus n upon 6. 2n cube upon 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Next 3n square upon 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Next n upon 6. Then sigma Tn.
So, but how does sigma n square work?
Sigma n square.
Like you took sigma n square, right? So how does that work?
Here.
No, in the starting, like the whole question. How does sigma n square work, sir?
1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on. N square.
Yeah, but it's not whole square, no, sir.
Whole square.
No, like we use n square when it's whole
1 square
right?
plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus so on plus n square.
Okay, sir.
Tn is equal to n square. Sigma n square.
Okay, sir.
Okay, understood.
So what is
sigma n square, n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. See, in competitive level.
Okay, sir.
Find the sum. Find the sum. Sigma k is equal to 1 to 20. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k. Options.
Sir, it's out of the frame.
Okay. Find the sum. Now,
So now it's fine.
sigma k is equal to 1 to 20, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k. Now option A, 1,555. Option B, 1,545. Option C, 1,540. Option D, 1,600. JEE Main 2020. JEE Main 2020.
So
See how
what's
simple problem?
So what's the maximum value?
20. K is equal to 1 to 20.
K maximum is 20, right?
Sir,
20.
so
Then we
K
will get
value will
210.
be from 1 to 20.
K is equal to 1 to 20.
So you have to write 1 again from starting.
K is equal to 20. Answer 1540. Answer.
Yes, sir. C.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Option C is the correct option. All of you got?
Sir, could you solve it?
This one?
Yes, sir.
K into K plus 1 upon 2. Sigma K is equal to 1 to 20. K into K plus 1 upon 2. K into K square. K square plus 1. K square plus K upon 2. Okay. Sigma K is equal to 1 to 20. Understood? 1 upon 2 into sigma K square. K square n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. This is K is n is equal to 20. This one also 20. Substituting here.
Sir, it should be K, no, sir. How can it be N?
Huh?
How can you write N, sir? You have
K
to
into
take
K
it as
plus
K.
1 2K plus 1 by 6, right? K square, no? N square. Twenty into 1 upon 2 into 20. 20 into 21. Next 2 into 20. 40. 40 plus 1. 41. 41 upon 6. Plus 20 into 20 plus 1. 21 upon 2. Okay. Now calculate.
17 to 41 plus 210.
1 upon 2 into
Both the places K value
420.
have to substitute 20, right?
Yes. 420 into 41. 41 upon 6. Upon 6 plus 20 into 21. 2 1s are 2 10s are 10 into 21. 210, right? 210. Now here half into
2870 plus 210.
2870 plus 210.
Sir,
Yes,
better is to simplify the whole thing and
Now
then
here 2870 210 3080, right? 3080 upon 2 1540. Correct. 1540. Next problem. 7th one. The sum 3 into 1 cube upon 1 square plus 5 into 1 cube plus 2 cube upon 1 square plus 2 square plus 7 into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube upon 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on up to 10 terms, up to 10 terms, up to 10 terms. This is last problem. JEE Main 2019. Option A 680, option B 600, option C 660, option D 620.
So can you move a bit?
Three comma 5 comma 7 comma so on 2n plus 1, right, Himanshu?
So what?
2n plus 1, 3, 5, 7.
Yes, sir. 2n plus 1.
2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube, right? 2n plus 1 into numerator. 2n plus 1 into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube upon 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square, denominator. Correct? So numerator 3, 5, 7, 2n plus 1.
The 10th term will be 21 into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus
TN tell Keshav, TN.
So TN is 21 into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 10 cube divided by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 10
Now here apply n square into n plus 1 whole.
That will apply, sir, but before that we will write the term properly, sir. Then we only
Answer?
Answer we have to
Option
write.
C.
Option C.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct, Nagabhushan. 660. 660.
So,
Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa.
so will it work by, yes, sir.
Tell.
So will it work by taking a summation of 3, I mean, by splitting it into 3, 5, 7 and 1 cube, 1 cube plus 2 cube and 1 square, 1 square plus 2 square and then multiplying and dividing them? The final result, will that work, sir?
Multiply. See 3, 5, 7, 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 into 1 cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube. N square, n plus 1 whole square by 4 upon n square. N square, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6.
So will
Could you please
finally
solve it once?
Okay. S is equal to 2 an tn is equal to 2n plus 1 into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus so on plus n cube.
So we can write that as n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. The cube term.
Okay. And denominator 1 square plus 2 square plus so on plus n square, right? 2n plus 1 into n square into n plus 1 whole square upon 4 upon n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. Correct, no? After that 3 by 2 into n
You
into
can
n plus
cancel
1.
terms.
3 by 2 into
Sir.
n into
and
n
all
plus
will get
1.
cancelled.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Get cancel and here get cancel. Now 2 2s are 2 3s are. Now 3 by 2 into n plus 1, right? Now Tn is equal to 3 by 2 into n square plus n. N square plus n. Now sigma n square sigma n. Himanshu? Sigma n square plus sigma n. Now up to n. N is equal to 10. Up to 10 terms, right? N is equal to 10.
Oh, okay, sir. I got my mistake now.
Okay. Understood? Priyanka? Risha? Sigma Tn is equal to 3 by 2 sigma n square plus 3 by 2 sigma n. Then n is equal to 10 substituting. Then we will get 660. Ten into 11, 11. 10 into 11, 21 upon 6 plus 3 by 2 into 10 into 11 upon 2. Then calculate 660. Okay. Then next class, I will explain proofs sigma n square, sigma n cubed, and n square into 2n square plus 1 also is there, proof. N square into 2n square plus 1.
excuse me.
Mona Lisa.
So I have few doubts in the question paper. Can I ask now?
Ask. Remaining
can the
students,
others leave?
leave. Others leave.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Mona Lisa, tell. Which question?
So for the questions which were like removed from syllabus, are you cutting marks for them also?
Which question? Tell.
No. Sir, you said you'll give grace marks.
Grace marks already. Everyone.
Yes,
6 marks, no
So,
grace
but
marks.
For me,
Yes, sir.
Already
for me you did.
Your marks is 61.
No, so 67.
61 plus 6, 67.
No, sir. When I counted the paper, it was not so.
61.
No, sir.
How many marks?
So with like for that question, for the 28th question, you didn't give any marks.
28th question. '28th question 4 marks And 1 mark questions, 5 and 6 marks. 5 and 6, 1 mark.
No, but you didn't give any marks for the 28th one, right?
Count once again. Count, check it once.
Okay.
Check it once.
Sir, and for another question, I guess you didn't give marks.
Another question. Which question?
Oh, one second, sir. So for the 22nd question, I did that at the end, sir.
22nd question is equal to 1 answer.
So yes, sir, I got 1. I did that at the end, but I guess you didn't see, you didn't check that.
Wait. 22. 22. Alpha comma beta and mod beta is equal to 1 and mod b minus beta minus alpha minus 1 minus alpha bar beta is equal to question mark. Mona Lisa? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
22 question. You didn't attempt 22 questions. 22 question. Question number 22.
Sir, it's at the as 1, sir. I got the answer as 1, sir.
Okay. Where
Sir,
you
at
got?
the end last.
Alpha comma beta wrote.
Sir, at the last page it seems.
Last page.
Sir, or if the other students have doubt, I can ask after that.
Oh, okay. Okay. 2 marks.
Sir,
next.
So for the 20th question,
2 marks.
I didn't attend
2 marks. Okay, 2 marks. 69.
Sir,
next.
and for the for the 28th question,
20th.
you didn't like. I mean, I didn't do anything in the question. I just wrote that it's out of syllabus. So probably you didn't check it. So you didn't give me any marks there also, the grace marks.
But answer sheet all calculate marks. How many marks? 61 or 62? Total, tell me.
Sir, when I'm counting the paper, it's coming 67 only, sir.
67. Wait.
Yes.
2. 2. 8. 8. 14. 20. 26. 30. 34. 5. 39. 40. 42. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. 61. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Your marks is 61.
So, but when I saw the marks I lost, by that I calculated 0 marks in that
Once
question,
again,
and then
you have
it's
to check
still coming to 60.
all questions. Total, you got 61 plus 6, 67.
So, but which are questions?
69 I will give. Okay, 2 marks. Yeah. Okay. See now.
So, but
69 marks.
so I'll just tell you which all questions I got wrong answer, and could you tell where I'm going wrong?
See, first question, second, third, fourth, fifth right, sixth right, seventh right, eighth right, ninth right, 10th right, 11th, 12, 13. You didn't write. You didn't attempt 13th question. 14 right, 15 right, and 16 right, 17 right, 18 right, 19 right, 20. See, 1 mark questions, only 1 mark loss. Okay.
So which one?
1 mark, 13th question.
Okay, sir.
Then next,
Sir?
hello.
Excuse me, sir. Yes,
Wait,
sir. Sir,
next.
can I tell the ones I got to be wrong?
Which one?
Like when I checked
Question?
the paper, the ones I got to be wrong. Can I tell that, sir?
Yes.
The 23rd question, I lost 2 marks. And then the 24th question,
21 question, 1 mark loss, 21 wrong answer, and 22 correct, and 23 wrong, 24 wrong, 25 correct, 26 correct, 2 marks. 3 questions wrong, 2 marks. Okay, Mona Lisa, you have to check, and tomorrow, then already 2 marks I will give now to 69 total.
Okay, sir.
Take it once, huh?
So for the 27th question, I thought it was out of syllabus and I didn't attempt it.
27.
And then 28th
No.
question.
In syllabus only, 27. 27.
Okay, so I didn't know. Our school teacher told it's not, sir.
You're asking school teacher?
Yes, sir. Ma'am told that the whole part of trigonometric equation is not there for us.
Then some students is syllabus is their general solution.
Okay, sir.
Some students are.
Sir, so I'll ask next class, sir.
No.
Sir, I can't hear you at all.
Hello?
Yes, sir. So you gave me 69, sir.
69.
Okay, sir. And the 28th question, I got 0 or 4.
28th question already grace marks 4 marks. I gave already.
But I can't find it, sir.
Check it,
Okay,
calculate all questions, okay?
Okay, sir.
Next class tell me.
Sir, and what is the who got, like, did I get the least in the
Least?
class? I mean, did I get the lowest marks in the class, sir?
Lowest marks, huh? Lowest marks is 35.
No, did I get? Okay, sir. Who got the highest, sir? How much?
Highest is 78.
Who, sir?
Himanshu. Second highest is
After that,
Nagabhushan.
After that, sir?
After that, Risha, 74.
Okay,
After
sir.
that, Bargo, 72.
Okay, sir.
Then after that,
Sir,
you,
and
69.
sir, and I joined late, so I don't know a few concepts. I was not able to solve a few questions in the exam, sir.
Okay,
At
which
all.
concepts you don't know?
So trigonometry, I know only the NCERT levels. Like
Okay.
whatever was taught in school.
R.D. Sharma problems?
I don't know much
don't
of
know.
it. Sir. I had asked you for the problems before the test.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.